The year is 2022. The place, Presqu'île Provincial Park. The circumstances, birds. A lot of them. More than you can count. They've come from far. They've come from wide. Near and not near. What do they want? Nobody knows. Wish I did though, so we could figure out how to make them go away.
Hey guys, we just arrived here at Presqu'île Point. There's a lot of birds here, but they seem like there's something could be wrong with them. I'm not sure. I might be worried about what's going to happen
I'm
later.
getting a little worried. Getting a little worried here.
Bird. Definition, winged animal. In our circumstances, bringer of destruction, botulism, plague. These birds have descended upon this island and claimed it as their own. Yet in their greed, they have decided that their domain is not enough and have thus endeavored to conquer the human realm, otherwise known as the world. In their quest for evil domination, they've developed arcane rituals shared between each other through their cryptic calls. These rituals have enabled them to possess the human form and use it for its own devious purposes. These purposes are unclear to us, but it is us who must uncover them, or lest become possessed ourselves.
So Emma, tell me what happened last night.
I'm still recovering. I mean, forgive me if my memory's clouded, but we were at the beach and I was having such a good time. McLean packed my favorite sandwich, salami and mustard. And while I was eating it by the beach, some seagull or bird flew and pecked it. Look at him. The bird swept through and brushed my cheek. And I mean, I never thought I'd find myself in this situation, but I heard that some of the birds out here have botulism. You know what? I'm not feeling great.
I'm feeling a little froggy. I guess I was just out like honky-tonkin' last night.
I don't know what's come over me. I'm just feeling a little walk.
Everything looks familiar, but not the same.